Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Take it.
Thank you,
Your
sir.
name, please.
Sir, my name is Rachita Mahapatra. Rachita Mahapatra.
Rachita.
Yes, sir.
You are from?
Sir, I am from Ganjam district of Odisha.
Which place of Ganjam?
Aska.
Okay.
Rachita Mahapatra.
Yes, sir.
Rachita, introduce yourself.
My name is Rachita Mahapatra. I am from Ganjam, Odisha. I have done my schooling in Aska, which is my hometown. Then I have pursued my graduation and post-graduation from College of Agriculture, OUT, Bhubaneswar. Now I am working as an assistant city and GST officer under Department of Finance.
You are in
Personal
Otas?
subject?
No,
Now,
sir.
Otas?
One rank below that, assistant city and GST officer.
When
Option-
one rank through this OPSC you have
No,
been
sir,
selected?
through Odisha OSSC, Staff Selection
Oh, Staff
Commission.
Selection Commission.
Yes, sir.
Acha, acha. Okay, okay.
Optional agriculture?
Optional.
Yes, sir,
Okay,
agriculture.
ठीक है.
Now you took optional agriculture in OPSC
Yes,
exam?
yes, sir.
Okay.
It's all right. Your hobbies? Hobbies?
Sir, I play badminton.
Badminton.
Yes.
Have you any achievement
Sir,
in your schooling or college?
sir, I have qualified the Medhavriti exam during the school time.
So you should mention it.
Yes, sir.
You can mention it.
Yes,
That
sir.
will add to it further. Achha, Rachita actually agriculture student, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Can you just tell me what are the current schemes implemented for the upliftment of the farmers in Odisha?
Sir, in Odisha,
Odisha as well as India also.
sir, in Odisha, the CM Kisan scheme, and also for the Sir Samruddhi Kisan scheme, which is for paddy cultivation, and we are also providing the solar rooftop. The PM Kusum scheme is also in the central government level. Then for irrigation, we have the different lift irrigation projects in Odisha, and for the BGI.
How many schemes? How many schemes are there? Just recently introduced by Government of India, as well as taken by.
Sir,
Government of
number
Odisha.
I am not aware.
7 schemes.
Okay, sir.
7 schemes are implemented for the upliftment of the agriculture.
Yes,
Don't say.
yes,
What is it? Digital farming.
sir.
तार भीतर अच्छी गोटे स्कीम भीतर
Sir, I
डिजिटल
have
फार्मिंग
not gone through it.
You should be
go through that.
from agriculture
All
stream.
these are current things.
Yes, sir.
Agriculture is there, so automatically the current things will be tracked there.
Yes.
It's all right. I will tell that.
Yes.
How to, as agriculture student of agriculture, you just opine that how to enhance your yield.
Sir, we can enhance yield by two ways. One is horizontal yield growth and one is vertical. In horizontal, we can increase the area under crop production. And in vertical, we can increase the production per unit area. So, sir, we can use the marginal land which are not very much nutritious for growing the millet, which we are promoting nowadays. And also, we can use the high yield varieties and good quality of insect pest fertilizers, pesticides, all these things. And also, sir, we should take care of the post-harvest management of the product to increase the yield of the crops.
All this you are telling from the book language. But
Yes,
in
sir.
practice, you are somewhere no appointed, no appointment there, no employment
No,
there.
sir. I have.
Okay, okay.
You are MSc?
Yes, sir. I have completed my MSc.
Which soil science?
Yes, sir.
What is
Specialized.
agroforestry?
Sir, agroforestry is integrating both tree and crop in the same land to increase the yield, and also the benefit of the forest crop, like the microclimate can be changed by the forest crop, and it will also help in the tree.
This vermicompost.
Yes,
What is
sir.
vermicompost?
So vermicompost is the use of the earthworm to increase the nutritious quality, the nutrient content of the compost, because they are self-sustaining and they can multiply by themselves.
So you are discouraging these pesticides.
Yes, sir.
So is there any alternative to pesticides?
Sir, we have biopesticides from biological organism like the fungus and the insects can be used to produce the biopesticides.
So what is agriculture waste pollution?
Agriculture?
Pollution caused by agriculture waste.
Yes, sir. So the pollution with the fertilizer which are carried away by the runoff water to the different ponds and the rivers, that can cause one kind of pollution. And also the pesticides, they are also not good for the for health, because they have the multiplying effect.
Suppose you will be agriculture, you will be administrative service, you will be in charge of agricultural improvement.
Yes, sir.
What steps you will take?
Sir, as an
Major steps.
Sir, as an administrator, I will make sure that the people are aware of the different schemes which are being implemented by at the
Yes.
state level and also the center level. And also, I can use my knowledge that I have gained during my graduation and post graduation by encouraging the people regarding the soil nutrition, how it is important for crop growth, and also the right time of application of pesticides. And nowadays, we are also
What are the
promoting-
staple foods in Odisha?
Sir, in Odisha, rice and potato, wheat, all these are grown, sir.
Rice is what? Carbohydrate?
Yes, sir. It
So
is
that
a
you tell.
yes, sir. Carbohydrate.
Protein,
Protein source, sir, we are going moong, berry, all these things.
then
Sir, for oil seed, we are going rapeseed, mustard, flaxseed, till, this
Gra-
thing.
then
And
groundnut.
for groundnut also we are growing. And for vegetable, we are growing like bhendi and potato, bhendi, all these things. Sir. Potato, I'm not.
ଆଉ ଶାଗ ଭୁଲି ଯାଉଛ,
Leafy vegetables, yes, sir.
ଶାଗଟାକୁ ଭୁଲି ଯାଉଛ, କୋଉଥିରେ ବେଶୀ ଆମିନୋ ଏସିଡ୍ ଅଛି?
Amino acid.
ଆମିନୋ ଏସିଡ୍ ବେଶୀ କୋଉ ଭେଜିଟେବୁଲ ଅଛି?
Sorry.
ଶାଗ ତ ନେଉଟିଆ ଶାଗ ତ ଭୁଲି ଯାଉଛ।
Yes.
49 types of ଶାଗ ଅଛି ଯୋଉଟା କି ଯୋଉଟା ଆମିନୋ ଏସିଡ୍ ଭରପୁର ହେଇ ରହିଛି, ପ୍ରୋଟିନ୍ ଭରପୁର ହେଇ ରହିଛି।
Yes.
ସାର କଥା
Tell me the impact of green revolution on agriculture, on agriculture, especially in India.
Sir, in India, the Green Revolution was introduced by M.S. Swaminathan in wheat and paddy crop. So initially, it has good yield. It had a higher yield, but gradually it affected the soil health because we are applying fertilizer. More fertilizer we are applying, so it had bad quality on the soil health. So that we are now promoting the natural farming and organic agriculture.
And tell me what is the human impact of green revolution?
So the human impact was there was abundance food. We were able to gain self-sufficiency in the food production. From importer to we have obtained the self-sufficiency.
And how it has changed the agrarian class structure?
Sir, prior to that we are not focusing on the growth of wheat and rice. So now it has become we have growing
No,
wheat.
I am talking about a class structure. Agriculture रे जो प्रकार थिला श्रेणी व्यवस्था बा जो जमीदार मार्जिनल फार्मर एंड देन लैंडलेस लेबर सेतरे कोन परिवर्तन हला? Was there any change due to green revolution?
No, sir.
I will tell you what happened. Just 2 minutes.
Yes.
The marginal farmers were wiped out. They cannot afford to buy tractor, HYV, high yielding variety
Variety.
seeds, pesticides, and fertilizer.
Yes.
So, input which they are supposed to give in an agriculture due to green revolution, they can't afford. And what happened? The rich jamidars,
Yes.
they buy their land because it become probably unsustainable agriculture for man. They don't get labor, they don't get pesticide, they cannot
Afford
get
that.
that much of profit. So they sold their land and they became laborer in their own land. So it became two class structure has changed from only a rich farmers class and the labor agriculture labor class. Marginal farmer, those who are having 2 acres, 3 acres, 5 acres, they became pauper.
Yes.
They became laborer in their own land. They sell it because they cannot manage to buy all these things. So that is the human impact. Anyway, tell me, say feminization of labor. What do you mean by that?
Sir, I think feminism and labor is increasing the women's participation in
Yes.
the workforce.
Yes.
And also we should impart them the skills so that they can also do other activities rather than traditional activities, like they can grow mushroom and they can grow poultry farming, they can do the mushroom cultivation and all these things.
When you say pink color jobs or pink coloration of
Yes.
jobs, what is that?
So it is used for the women
Yes.
workers in
You're right.
participation in the labor force.
But what?
Sorry, sir. I'm
You
not.
see, this is because from all important jobs,
Yes.
it has gone to the men. These women, due to globalization, only became, say, um, call center operators, or you can say computer data feed करने के लिए database data operators, or receptionist, and these jobs are only available to them. Most prestigious jobs, demanding jobs, powerful jobs, prestigious jobs are taken away by men. They have pushed women to these peripheral jobs.
Taxes.
You understand?
Taxes.
Because globalization is at high risk. High rate of migration also took place. Then single parent family became, males migrated to Punjab, or maybe abroad, or maybe to Surat, like many people from Odisha, they are migrating to Surat.
Yes.
So, women-headed family entered into the scenario after globalization. These things you must read. Who is Gopabandhu Das? What is his contribution to Odisha's freedom struggle?
So Gopavandhu Das was a freedom fighter. He established the Satyavadi Van Vidyalaya and also the Utkal Sammilani was.
Utkal Sammelani Madhusudan Das.
Oh, sorry, sir.
ତାକେ ଆଉ
Though-
କ'ଣ କହୁନ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଜିନିଷ
ସମାଜ କିଏ ପ୍ରତିଷ୍ଠା
ସବୁଦିନ
Sir,
କରେ?
he
ପଢୁଛ?
was,
ବଢି ମରୁଡ଼ିରେ ସେ ଯାଇ ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ଚୂଡ଼ା ଚାଉଳ ବାଣ୍ଟୁଥିଲେ।
Yes, sir.
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ସାର୍ ପଚାରନ୍ତୁ ଯୋଉ ପଞ୍ଚସଖା
ଆଉ ପଞ୍ଚସଖା କିଏ?
Who are the Panchasakhas?
Sir, Panchasakha.
ତାଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ସେ 5 ଜଣ ମିଶିକିରି ବନ ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟ
ରିଲିଜିୟସ୍
ପ୍ରତିଷ୍ଠା
ନୁହେଁ
କରିଥିଲେ।
ଅନ୍ୟ
Yes.
ସାଇଡ୍ଟା
Sir, Gopavandhu Das, Godavarisa Mishra,
Yes.
Nilakantha Das,
Yes,
and other two I am not able.
କୃପା ସିନ୍ଧୁ
Yes, sir. Krupa Sindhu
ଆଉ
Mishra.
ଜଣେ?
ଆଚାର୍ଯ୍ୟ ହରିହର।
ହରିହର।
Yes, sir. Harihar Das, Krupa Sindhu Mishra.
ସେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଟାଇଟଲ କାଟିଥିଲେ, ଗୋଦାବରୀଶ ମିଶ୍ର ଟାଇଟଲ ଲେଖୁଥିଲେ, ନୀଳକଣ୍ଠ ଦାସ ଯୋଉ ନାଁ ଏମାନଙ୍କର, ସେମାନେ କିନ୍ତୁ ପଇତା ଛିଡେଇଥିଲେ ଟାଇଟଲ ନ ଲେଖିବା ପାଇଁ, ସେମାନେ ଇନସିଷ୍ଟ କରୁଥିଲେ ଅନ୍ୟମାନେ। ଆଣ୍ଡ ଦେନ୍ ଭକ୍ତି ଯୁଗର ପଞ୍ଚସଖା କିଏ?
Sir, Jagannath Das,
Yes, very good.
Balaram Das,
Huh?
Sisu Anant Das,
Yes.
Achyutanand Das, and
Very good.
Jaswant Das.
ଭେରି ନାଇସ୍
Jaswant
ଭେରି
Das.
ନାଇସ୍
ହଁ।
ଭେରି ନାଇସ୍
Very good. Very
ତାଙ୍କର କ'ଣ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରିବ୍ୟୁସନ?
Sir, for promoting the
ବଳରାମ
Odia,
ଦାସ କ'ଣ ପାଇଁ ଫେମସ?
sir, Ramayana was written
Yes,
by Odia
very
Ramayana was
good.
written by Balaram Das. And
ଦାଣ୍ଡି
they-
ରାମାୟଣ।
Dandi Ramayana, and they were promoting the
ଦାଣ୍ଡି
Odia.
ରାମାୟଣ କାହିଁ କୁହାଯାଏ?
So, sorry, sir, I have forgotten it.
ଏତେ ସରଳ ଭାଷାରେ ଲେଖିଥିଲେ, ଦାଣ୍ଡରେ ବସିଥିବା ଲୋକ ବା ଦାଣ୍ଡରେ ଶୁଣୁଥିବା ଲୋକ ବି ତାକୁ ବୁଝିପାରିବେ। ଆଗରୁ କ୍ଲିଷ୍ଟ ସବୁ ଥିଲା, ବାଲ୍ମୀକି ରାମାୟଣ ଏମାନେ କେହି ବୁଝିପାରିବେନି,
ସଂସ୍କୃତରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଥିଲା।
ସଂସ୍କୃତ ଲେଖା ହେଇଥିଲା। ଇଏ ଭର୍ଣ୍ଣାକୁଲର ମିଡିୟମରେ ଲେଖିଲେ, ଅତି ସରଳ ଚଲତି
ସାଧାରଣ
ଭାଷା,
ଲୋକ ବି-
ଦାଣ୍ଡର ଲୋକ ବସି ଶୁଣି ବୁଝିପାରିବେ। ଯାହା ହଉ, ଭେରି ଗୁଡ୍, ତମେ ସବୁ ମନେ ରଖିଛ, ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ଭେରି ହାପି।
Good.
Acha, can you tell something about this? You are working as a GST taxation
Yes,
officer,
sir.
na? Acha, have you gone through an interview in SSB also?
No, sir, there
No
was
interview,
no
only
Yes,
written, and computer skill or
Yes,
something
sir,
like that.
yes.
Okay. What is actually what is the? Acha, why GST was evolved? Whether it is a right decision of the government of India, or acha, is it? Yes, tell me why it was evolved at all.
Sir, GST was
How it was evolved?
Sir, GST was evolved to bring together the other indirect taxes and to replace the VAT also. It has not replaced. It is um, it is destination oriented tax which is applied, and it has subsumed many other taxes like the sale tax, service tax, entertainment tax, and all these things. Sir, it has streamlined the taxation system, and it has also made the dual system of tax, that is at the central level CGST and at the state level state GST is implemented in this system.
The system was simplified or has become more complicated by introduction of GST?
Sir, by introduction of GST, I think the system has become less complicated when it comes to the different type of taxes, but at the same time, as it involves the law and technology based application, which is a little bit difficult to understand and for the normal taxpayer or the small scale business enterprises.
True.
Because the compliance is a bit difficult.
How the state government got over it?
So
You
this,
educated the small time business people, or make them aware of the intricacies of GST.
sir, this is the task of the assistant city and GST officer, who was the field officer, to make people aware about
Oh,
the
it is
GST.
your duty.
Yes, sir. We are
Acha.
doing the survey and making people aware about the GST and to take GST for their
If
business.
leakage will be there in justice,
Sir, go on, pacham. Leakage. If
How
leakage
to-
will be there,
how to
how to
prevent?
how to plug those leakages?
block.
Sir, I'm not getting it.
So, leakage of GST. People are evading the
Avoid.
GST.
Sir, there is proper assessment. We are also putting the taxes and penalties, and we are constantly reminding them about filing the returns of their GST. And also, after getting GST, we are also given the field verification of the people who have already got GST and who are applying for GST.
Suppose in case of Odisha, before the introduction of GST and after the introduction of GST, the taxation revenue has increased for Odisha, or our share from Government of
Sir,
India?
revenue has increased for Odisha. After
Can you tell us, throw some light on the amount, quantum of leap or
No,
quantum jump?
No, sir, I'm not
idea.
aware about
Okay,
it.
okay, okay, okay. What is the percentage of we are getting from GST, Government of India GST,
Sir, it is 42%
of the total?
total collection.
Acha, are we getting regularly? There is some news articles coming up
Mm.
on GST sharing of the state and the Government of India and states.
Yes, sir.
Acha, there is a GST council.
Yes,
Do you know
sir.
anything about it?
Yes, sir. The GST Council is headed by the Finance Minister
Of Government of India.
Government of India and Finance Minister and of the state, and also of the state also join the GST Council. So they
And
decided.
who else are the members? Acha, okay, you go through
Yes,
it, the
yes,
GST
sir.
council and all that,
Yes.
because our chief minister was there
Yes, sir.
in GST
GST.
some meeting. Acha, why Niti Aayog was formed? That is planning commission was dismantled and Niti Aayog is formed.
Sir, Planning Commission was. Sir, I'm not getting it right now. I have
Okay,
read
okay,
it.
you read
Yes,
something
sir.
about it. Acha, can you tell us some heritage sites, UNESCO heritage sites?
Sir, Konark Sun Temple is one of the World UNESCO Heritage Site from Odisha.
Okay, any other?
Sir,
Shantiniketan, yes, Shantiniketan has been included.
Santiniketan.
Last year, I think,
Yes, sir,
23.
Santiniketan last year.
Why Shantiniketan is famous for?
Sir, it was established by Rabindranath Tagore for its culture and. No, sir, no.
Have you ever gone there?
No, sir.
Shantiniketan. You have got an agriculture stream as well there.
Yes.
College
sir.
of Agriculture is also
sir.
there in
Yes, sir.
Shantiniketan.
Yes, sir.
Actually, Rachita is you are fine, presentable, allowed to question, but something as her told about the commission, planning commission,
Yes,
because you are in that way.
Taxation
Taxes
department.
side, so attention will be there.
Yes, sir.
I be frank that any change, there is no significant change
Yes, sir.
in the taxation. Gradually, it may have a lasting change
Yes, sir.
in this society.
In the first few years, it dropped.
No,
Yes, sir. First few years, the
It
state.
dropped. Our share dropped.
Yes,
because
sir.
of that leakage,
Yes, sir.
people are avoiding and not giving.
Not aware about it. Sir, first କିଛି ବର୍ଷ like ମାନେ center ରୁ ବି ଥିଲା କ'ଣ ଯେ GST ପାଇଁ ଯାହା ବି state government କୁ
The
fund
share ଟା properly,
ଆସୁଥିଲା,
share ଟା ଠିକ ଭାବରେ ଆସୁନଥିଲା.
So, government schemes,
Yes, sir.
recent events, news, update news.
Yes, sir.
We have not asked you the national and the international.
Acha, your book reading is your one of the hobbies.
Yes.
Huh?
Sir,
What book you have read last?
Sir, book reading is I read the self-help books. Like last book I read was The Alchemist by Paul Coelho. Very
Yes, yes.
and also the
Alchemist.
5am Club by Robin Sharma.
5 AM Club, right?
The Old Man Who Sold His Ferrari by Robin Sharma also.
Who is Ravin Sharma? Where he lives?
Sir, American.
He's an Indian, but live.
India.
I mean,
Yes.
Indian origin, but lives in America.
Yes, sir.
Acha, can you tell us the Alchemist? What is the essence of Alchemist?
Sir, the essence of Alchemist is
What is the meaning of Alchemist first?
Sir, the Alchemist is the precious jewel for which a man is searching, and also he is facing different difficult.
The alchemist is a person who can make precious
Stone.
metal out of anything.
sir. Yes, sir.
That is alchemist.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
Sir, so there is a person who is in search of the alchemist, and also it mentions that the whole universe works for you if your actions are directed towards your goal.
Is there any book, good book in Odia?
No, sir.
which
I
can
have,
influence.
sir, I have not come across the original book, but the translated like
Which
book.
one?
No, maybe several books are there
Sir,
which
but
can tell about
self-help-
the accounts of life, as
Yes,
you
sir.
told.
Yes, sir.
Accounts of life, you
Yes,
should
sir.
know. Self-help means you have to streamline the accounts of life. Five accounts are there. I think I have come across Odia writers are also there. Just you may check it. So anyhow,
Okay.
Chita, you are quite presentable. When is your exam?
Sir?
When
Sir,
will be your
11th September.
This 11th.
Yes, sir.
So don't waste your time. Now go to home. Everything is there. You have also covered. Streamline that. Practice
Be
yourself.
relaxed. Be relaxed.
Be relaxed,
You,
practice
you are
yourself.
all right. You are presentable and you
Your
are.
dress code will be there, like this one.
No, sir, I'll wear sari.
Okay. Okay.
Which type?
Formal
of
one.
Sir, I have the picture, sir. Formal
Are you
type.
comfortable in that?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
If sure, do
then
it.
wear that.
Otherwise, normal wearing. Because unnecessary the attention will be there.
Yes, sir. No, sir,
So
I am
that should not be.
comfortable in sari.
Yes.
Okay.
It's all
Okay.
right.
In formal occasions, you
So
wear it.
you
Yes,
have a
sir.
chance, best of luck.
Sir, can I talk for a few seconds?
हाँ, कहो.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, actually,
नहीं नहीं रहा ଗୋଟେ କଥା ତୁ ଥରୁଛୁ କାହିଁକି
sir,
Wait,
this is
yeah,
the first interview.
Yes,
That's why I told you na be comfortable.
ମାନେ
for it. But you are very presentable.
हाँ,
Your answers are good. Your fluency is good.
Sir, ଟିକେ actually ନା collect କଲର ମତେ time ହେଲେ ନା ମୁଁ ଛୁଟି ନେଇକି ଆସିଛି
ହଁ.
ଏବେ ସ୍ପେଶାଲି ଏଠି ମାନେ ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁ appear mock ଦେବା ପାଇଁ
But
ତ
even then, your interview is excellent.
sir
No,
ବହୁତ
you have
ମାନେ
done well. You are
Excellent.
Your qualification is also very good. More than 80.
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ସେ କ୍ୱାଲିଫିକେସନ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ତାର ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ
Everything is good. Everything is good.
ବିଫିଟିଂ ରିପ୍ଲାଏ
sir
ଦଉଛି
କୋଉ ଜିନିଷ ଉପରେ ଟିକେ ଅଧିକ ଫୋକସ୍ କଲେ agriculture
ଆମେ କହିଲୁ ନା ତିନି ଚାରିଟା point କହିଲୁ ନା
ଡେଟା ବେସ୍ଡ ବେଶୀ ପଢିବାକୁ ପଡିବ କି ଲାଇକ ଇରିଗେସନ ପରସେଣ୍ଟେଜ
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ
ନା, ନା,
ଏଇଟା ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁଟା
Yes, sir.
ଅଧଘଣ୍ଟା ଟାଇମ ସେମାନେ ନେବେ
Yes, sir.
ଚାରି
Maximum.
ପାଞ୍ଚ ଜଣ ମେମ୍ବର ଥିବେ
ହଁ,
ତ ତାଙ୍କ କୋଉ ଆଡକୁ ଚାଲିଯିବେ ତ ଜଣକୁ ସାର୍ ପଚାରିଲେ ମୁଁ ବି ଗ୍ରାଫ୍ସ କରିବି ସାର୍ ପଚାରିଲେ
ସେଇଥିରୁ ବି ଆମେ ତୁମ ଆନ୍ସର ବି ପିକଅପ୍ ନେଇଯିବୁ ସେ ଆନ୍ସର ବି ଆମେ ପିକଅପ୍ ନେଇଯିବୁ ବେଳେ ବେଳେ
ତୁମ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଉପରେ ନିର୍ଭର କରେ ତୁମେ ଯୋଉଟାକୁ ତମେ ମୋବିଲାଇଜ କରିପାରିବ ତାଙ୍କୁ କନଭିନ୍ସ କରିପାରିବ ସେମିତି
ଆଉ ଯୋଉଟା ନ ଜାଣିଛ
Pass on.
ଫ୍ଲାଟଲି କହିଛ ନାଇଁ
Sir,
ସାର୍
actually ମତେ ଟିକେ ଟିକେ
I can
idea
read
ଅଛି
but
ଟିକେ ଟିକେ idea
ଚାନ୍ସ
ଅଛି
ଦିଅ ନା
but
ପୋଲାଇଟଲି
politely ମନା କର
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ହେଲେ କଣ ହବ ସେ ଟାଇମ ଟା ବଞ୍ଚିବ ତୁମ ଅନ୍ୟ ଆଡକୁ
and we'll change the topic
ହଁ
also
ଟପିକ ବି ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଇଯିବ
when we'll go to your area of strength
ନହେଲେ ଅଯଥା ତୁମେ ଧର ଏଗ୍ରିକଲଚର ଜାଣିଛ ଦେଖ ଏଗ୍ରିକଲଚର ଉପରେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ବହୁତ ଆଟେନସନ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ଯୋଉ ସ୍କିମ୍ କହିଲି ସାତଟା
sir,
ସ୍କିମ୍
ସାତଟା
ପୁରା ଡିଜିଟାଲ ଫାର୍ମିଂ
and also
ପଡିଯାଉ ତାକୁ
agriculture ଆଉ ଜିନିଷ ମନେ ରଖିବ ଯେ new agricultural policy ରେ ଯୋଉ କୃଷକ ଆନ୍ଦୋଳନ ହେଇଥିଲା ସେଇଟା ମଧ୍ୟ ପଚାରୁଛନ୍ତି ବହୁତ
Farmer
ଜାଗା।
ଉପରେ।
ହଁ ସେଇଟା ମଧ୍ୟ ପଚାରୁଛନ୍ତି
yes
ଆଜ୍ଞା, sir.
ପଞ୍ଜାବରେ ଯୋଉ ହେଇଥିଲା ଇଏ
and
ହଉଥିଲା।
what is the fallout ତାର fallout କଣ why government
ସାଧାରଣ କାହିଁକି ମଲେ କଣ ତାର ମେ
question may
Sir,
come
reading self-help book ଟା hobby ରେ ଲେଖିବି ନା ଲେଖିବିନି ମୁଁ only badminton
ଖାଲି
ଲେଖିଲି
Acha, who are the badminton good players in India and badminton gave us some gold today
Yes.
also
Yes, sir, Nitish Kumar
କିଙ୍ଗ ଅଫ ଗେମ୍ସ
sir Nitish Kumar Paralympics ରେ ଏବେ gold medal ଆଣିଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଆମର ସୁହାସ ୟଥିରାଜ who is an IS officer he has also got silver medal in
Paralympics
Yes.
why Paralympics is created
Sir, the people with disabilities to allow them to play in the scope for them.
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କଥା ମନେ ରଖ ଯେ ଆଜ ୟୁ ଆର୍ ଭେରି ଡାଇନାମିକ ସାର୍ ବି ସେଟା କହିବା କଥା ବୋଧେ ମାନେ କଭର କରିନାହାନ୍ତି ତୁମେ ଆମ ଯୋଉ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଅସ୍ମିତା ବୋଲି କହୁଛୁ ସବୁବେଳେ ଆମେ ଇଂଲିଶ ଅଥର ବହିଟାକୁ ଫଲୋ କରିବା ମାନେ ନାହିଁ
Yes.
ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ବହି ଅଛି ଯୋଉଟା କି ଆମେ ଫଲୋ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଅଥର
ତୁମେ ଇଂଲିଶ ମିଡିୟମ ରେ ପଢିଛ ପିଲାଦିନ
ହଁ ମେ ବି
ଓଡ଼ିଆ ପଢି ପାରୁଛ ଭଲ
Yes, sir. 7th class ଯାଏଁ ଓଡ଼ିଆ medium ଥିଲା.
ହଁ,
Then
ତାପରେ
English
ଇଂଲିଶ ମିଡିୟମ ରେ ପଢିଛ
ନାଇଁ
Seventh
have to
standard.
read and convince also people when you will be in
So,
ଆଚ୍ଛା do you know anything about ପ୍ରତିଭା ରାୟ
ପ୍ରତିଭା ରୈଜ୍ଞା
ଜ୍ଞାନପୀଠ
ଜ୍ଞାନପୀଠ award
and also ଯାଜ୍ଞସେନୀ
ସବୁବେଳେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆନ୍ସର ଦବ ଜ୍ଞାନପୀଠ ଯଜ୍ଞସିନୀ ପ୍ରତିଭା ରାୟ ଏ ଲାଇନ ଟା ମନେ ରଖିଦବ
Yes,
ତିନିଟା ଦେଇଦବ ଗୋଟେ
keyword ମନେ
କି ୱାର୍ଡ
ରଖିବ
ଗୋଟେ ମନେ
ଦେଇ
ରଖିଦବ
ତ ସେଇ ହିସାବରେ ଆଜି ପ୍ରିପାରେସନ
ଠିକ ଅଛି ଠିକ ଅଛି
So can you tell us something about your district
Yes, sir. Sir,
what are the main rivers in your districts
sir, the main river Rusikulia river where large amount of olive readily come for mass nesting.
where
Sir, Rusikulia River.
That mouth of the Risikulia
Mouth,
river
yes,
where
sir.
it
Sir, Chhatrapur
empties
is-
into the Bay of Bengal.
Yes, sir. Chhatrapur region. ସେଇଠିକି ସେଇଠି
ସେଟାକୁ
ଆସନ୍ତି।
ବଡକୁଲ region ବୋଲି
ଶୁଣ
କହୁଛନ୍ତି, ବଡକୁଲ beach.
ଏଇ ଯୋଉ କୋଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଯଦି ଆସିବ ବହୁତ ଆସିବ
ହଁ
କାହିଁକି ପ୍ରଡକ୍ସନ ରେଟ୍ ରିପ୍ରଡକ୍ସନ ରେଟ୍ କମୁଛି
Olive rate
ପଲ୍ୟୁସନ ଅର୍ ସମଥିଙ୍ଗ ଦୁନିଆ କୋଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଆସିବ
Sir,
ତୁମେ
ସେଇଟା
ଯେତିକି ଜାଣିଥିବ
କମୁଛି
confident
ମୁଁ ମାନେ ବହୁତ ରିସର୍ଚ୍ଚ କଲି ବଟ୍ ସେଇଠି ମାନେ ଯାହା ଏପ୍ରିଲର ଡେଟା ଥିଲା ଯେ ସେଇଟା ଇନକ୍ରିଜ ହେଇଛି ବୋଲି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି।
ଇନକେସ୍ ନାହିଁ ପଲ୍ୟୁସନ
decrease.
ଇଜ ଦେୟାର ୱାଟର ପଲ୍ୟୁସନ ଇଜ ଦେୟାର
ୱାଟର ପଲ୍ୟୁସନ ତ ହଉଛି ସେଇଠି।
ହାବିଟାଟ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ବି ହେଇଛି
Yes, sir, yes,
ତ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ତାପରେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ତାଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ ହାବିଟାଟ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ଯୋଗୁ ସେମାନେ ସିକ୍ୟୁରିଟି ତାଙ୍କ ନାହିଁ ମାନେ ଫିଲ୍ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ନିରାପଦ
Secured feel
ସିକ୍ୟୁରିଟି ଫିଲ୍ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି
Yes,
ସିକ୍ୟୁରିଟି ନାହିଁ ସିକ୍ୟୁରିଟି ବି ଫିଲ୍ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି
ହଁ।
ସେମାନେ ଉଭୟ
sir.
ସିକ୍ୟୁରିଟି ବି ନାହିଁ ଠିକ ଭାବରେ
Sir, sir,
ଇକୋ ସେନ୍ସିଟିଭ ଜୋନଟା ବି ପୁରା ନାହିଁ ନୋଟି
ତାଙ୍କୁ ସେ ଯୋଉଟା ମାନୁନାହାନ୍ତି।
କେହି ମାନୁନାହାନ୍ତି
Fishing କରୁଛନ୍ତି।
ୟୁ ଆର୍ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେବୁଲ ସୋ ଟୁ ସେ
ଆଚ୍ଛା କଣ ହାଇଏଷ୍ଟ ପିକ୍ ଇନ୍ ଓଡ଼ିଶା?
sir, Mahendragiri
ମହେନ୍ଦ୍ରଗିରି the second highest.
second.
First is
Devamali.
Devamali. What is the height of Devamali? Where is it? In which mountain range? Devamali is in Eastern Ghats.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In Odisha, Koraput district.
Yes, sir.
What is the height? You
Sir,
see, it is around 5,000 feet above mean sea level.
ଆରାଉଣ୍ଡ ବୋଲି କହି ଛାଡ଼ିଦେବ ଯେତେ ମନେ
You can read it, but it is around
ଆଉ ତମେ
5,000
ଶୁଣ
feet.
ତୁମ ନିଜ ଆଇକ୍ୟୁରୁ କହିଦେଇ ପାରିବ ସାର୍ ଇଷ୍ଟର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଘାଟ କହିଲେ ୱେଷ୍ଟର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଘାଟ ସେ କହିବେ କାହିଁ କନଜରଭେସନ କରୁଛ ହ୍ୱାଇ ୟୁ ୱାଣ୍ଟ ଟୁ କନଜର୍ଭ ଦିସ୍ ୱେଷ୍ଟର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଇଷ୍ଟର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଘାଟ କହିବ ମୁଣ୍ଡରୁ
Yes,
ବାୟୋଡାଇଭର୍ସିଟି
biodiversity.
ଆମେ ତ କହିବ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ବାୟୋଡାଇଭର୍ସିଟି ୱାଟା ୟୁଜ୍
sir,
କରିଦେବ
ଟିକେ ଟାଇମ ଲାଗୁଛି ଫ୍ରେମ କରିବା
ନା
ପାଇଁ।
କିଛି ନାହିଁ
Sir,
ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଆସିଯିବ
sir.
ତ ଫ୍ଲୋ ରହିଲେ କନଫିଡେଣ୍ଟ ହେଲେ ଆସିଯିବ
ଆଉ ଯଦି ଦରକାର ପଡିବ you switch to ଓଡିଆ also, no
ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ
problem.
କହିବ
Yes,
କିଛି
sir.
ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ
ଯୋଉଠି ଦରକାର ପଡିବ switch
But
କର. Also, you are
complete
very good at
conversation.
English.
ହଁ।
Your
ଉଭୟ,
communication
ଉଭୟରେ।
skill is good.
ଉଭୟରେ ସେ କହିପାରିବେ ରହିଲାଣି ଏତ ବର୍ଷ ଠିକ ଅଛି ବା ଠିକ
Okay.
ବେଷ୍ଟ ଅଫ୍
Thank you. All the best.
Thank you, sir.